Hi everyone, this is Teacher Patrick once again. Welcome to the fourth video for 3 states of matter. Now, this is an exam question that I happened to chance upon while I was having my dinner just now. So, I thought, this question looks kind of familiar. Why do I say familiar? Because it can be applied to what I have taught you for the third video. Okay, so you try to recall what we have learned in the third video. If you can't, maybe you'd like to pause here right now, go back to third video and recap before you come back to this question again. Now, let me read you this question. 3 marks, A, B, and C, and a basin of water was used in an experiment. 3 identical rings were attached to the bottom of the marks. A hole was only made in marks B and C. Then the 3 marks were pushed into the water in the positions as shown in the diagram below. So they say A, in the diagram above, draw the water level in mark C. So the best part about this laptop, I could move the figure around so I can point it to you. Now let's take a look at this cursor now. This cursor shows mark A at this point of time. Do you know what is inside here? It's air, okay? It's air. Now, because mark A doesn't have a hole, what happens is the air inside mark A cannot escape. So, water could only enter mark A to a certain extent. I want you to go back and rewind this phrase. In future, if an exam question asks you how come water could not enter mark A completely, this is what you should say. One more time. Air in mark A could not escape. Water could only enter mark A to a certain extent. So, the ring in mark A did not get wet. So this is a common exam question they can ask you in that manner. Now, what about this one? Mark B and mark C, okay? Mark B and mark C, they both have holes, poke. So what happens is the air will definitely escape through this hole. Air will also escape through this hole. So when that happens, then of course, something must go in right now. Can you tell me what goes in? Yes, water goes in right now. So how do you, first of all, okay, let's go to this question, part A, the simplest one first, simpler one first, okay? In the diagram above, draw the water level in mark C. Now, if I have to draw the water level in mark C, wonderful. I can use this to show you how it is being drawn, okay? So, remember, always use pencil for all drawings. Now, you're going to draw a horizontal line. Now, just like this. And then this one, you can earn 1 mark already. Then you say, Teacher Patrick, why is it that it has to be a horizontal line? Now, later on, after this video, I will add in a certain portion. I'll bring in my water bottle to show you why is it that the water level must be horizontal. So just bear with me until the end, okay? Now let's go to part B right now. Now they say, the ring in mark B became wet. Explain how this happened. Now perfect, I can use typing from here. Now I'm going to type the answers here. Now, do you still remember I was teaching about this one? Blank take the space of blank. Can you recall blank takes the space of blank? What are the 2 items that you see right now? You see air, you see water. Yes. So can you tell me, do you think it's water take the space of air or air take the space of water? Ask yourself, which one goes out? Air goes out right now. So if air goes out, what goes in? Water. So definitely you must mention water takes the space of air. So, hold on, let me just do something about this. Let's make the font a little smaller. Didn't expect it to be so huge. Okay, so water takes the space of air. So the air escapes through the hole. Okay, so I think, do you understand the first part? Water takes the space of air. Then after that, you must tell me, where did the air go? Air escaped through the hole. So that makes it very simple to understand, right now. So you may want to copy it down once we have paused the video. Now, I'm going to bring this water bottle in. Give me a moment, just in a short while. Now, my water bottle has come in already. I'm going to bring this laptop away first so that you can look at my water bottle and the water level. Now, this is my water bottle. Now, this water bottle is right now is seated on the table. And let's take a look at, this is the water level and this is horizontal. Am I right? So, look at this. If teacher actually is now going to tilt my water bottle to one side, okay? I want you to see whether the water level still remains horizontal or not. There. Look at this. Is the water level still horizontal? Yes. So, coming back to the question. Now, do you understand why is it that right now, the water level has to be horizontal? Because it doesn't matter how you tilt your bottle, or your mug, or your container, the water level will always remain horizontal with the ground table. So imagine this is the table. Let me just draw a line. How to draw a line? Hold on. Now imagine this is the table. Okay. So this is the table. So do you realize the line that is formed inside mark C is actually parallel to the line on the table? So do you understand now? I hope this makes your 3 states of matter explanation even clearer. Okay, I'll see you soon in the next video. Goodbye.